Nice. Look at this boat. This is our captain.
What ticket number are you?
95.
Yeah, I do believe you're mine.
My captain right here. He's gonna make sure we don't get eaten by an alligator today.
Oh, we might need you as bait.
We gotta attract the alligators some way, right? We gotta attract them some way. As long as they take like one finger, maybe I can let one finger go. Maybe.
I don't know about a finger, man.
No, we can't let one.
Bigger than
I can't let a finger go.
We're waiting for a couple people to come back from the rescue. Anybody with hats on, hold on to them. I can't guarantee the headset will hold it on. If you want to wear it backwards, you're more than welcome to wear it backwards. All right, my name is Captain Matt. If you guys have any questions, there's headsets on the back of your seats, guys. Wear them. This boat is loud. And here we go.
The boat is loud. Wear the headset. Let's do it. What do you call it? Look at my hair. He's ripping through. It's super fast.
All right, so how we doing, everybody? Good? All right, so where's everybody from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Jersey.
Kansas, Jersey, where, sir?
Staten Island.
All right, so what do you guys know about the Everglades?
People from everywhere. New York,
They're wet.
Staten
All right, so
Island.
guys, the trees you guys see around you, these are all red mangroves. Federally protected trees. $5,000 fine, 6 months in jail if you remove these trees. Now, the reason for their protections is hurricanes and tropical storms. Along our coastline, they decrease wind plus prevent erosion. Coastline of Florida is 5 miles to the front. 70 years of saltwater intrusion brought them inland 5 miles. Now imagine, every place you see the mangroves in open water, covered in grasslands and palm trees 50 years ago.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna kind of nose up into the mangroves to the front right. We're gonna look off to the right-hand side. There was a smaller gator in here on my last ride.
All right, so he said he saw the gator, a smaller gator over here, closer up, over here, the mangroves.
Look off to your right side in the roots. She's laying straight in there. Nope, to your right-hand side, ma'am. See her in the roots?
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, all the way right there
Now,
in the water.
from the middle of her eyes to the end of her snout. You can get her with your camera, right, ma'am? 1 inch, 1 foot gives you a length. So she's roughly 7.5 feet. Now, the biggest she's going to get is 9. Males are our largest, they get up to 15. Now, does anybody know how fast an alligator can swim? 20 mile an hour, unlimited distance in the water.
Wow.
Guys, they run on dry ground between 11 and 18 miles an hour. Straight line distance for 50 feet. Super territorial. Males have a 5-acre range, females have 1.5 acres. Gives us an idea where to find them. But also in that male's territory, he has a lot of girlfriends. He is the Playboy of the alligator world. All right? Now,
Say that again.
you heard me say it. Now, you guys notice water levels are low. You see her, ma'am? Water levels are low. We're non-tidal. No high tide, no low tide. Wind and rain only. So the more rainfall we get in the summer, the deeper the water. By the end of September, all the roots are covered. The water's 100% fresh by rain. We're getting ready to drive. I know it.
Excuse me.
Young man, you're out of school. We have to make your brain big.
That's right.
All right? Now we get winds.
He said the gator in the water there is the Playboy of the alligator world. He said he get all the girls.
Also, a Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Guys, it destroyed a serpentarium and released 3,000 snakes at once. So we have Burmese, African rock reticulated, and 3 subspecies of anacondas. Now that population was 32 years ago. Population now 150,000 to 400,000. They don't know how many's out here. Biggest snake they captured last year was just shy of 19 feet. She weighed 225 pounds, had 122 eggs inside of her. But also she had 6 sets of deer hooves. That means she's eaten 6 deer in her life. Now guys are eating everything, small field mice, raccoons, medium-sized alligators. But also we used to have an invasive pig population in the Everglades. It's gone, the snakes have consumed them all. Now is anybody looking for a job? We are looking for python hunters. Yep.
Anybody watching, they need python hunters.
That one was 17 feet, and that one was 16 feet 9 inches with a deer inside of it.
16 feet 9 inch. Eating a deer.
Eating a deer. You'll be able to see the photos.
The hogs are gone.
The hogs are gone. Now, if you get up to Central Florida, they have
He's
a
showing
big hog
everybody
population, but
photos
the
of
snakes
a
haven't inundated that area.
16-foot python had a
No,
deer
ma'am. But they are. They're
inside of
cruising.
them.
Now, they have found the snakes as far north as Jacksonville, Florida. But also, they're finding them 50 miles out in the Gulf of Mexico alive in saltwater. So that means they're evolving and adapting.
They're evolving. Now the snakes are on the saltwater?
Yep.
Wow, that's crazy.
I see she hooked you up with your...
Python. Wow.
That way.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's it with the deer. They cut it open and the deer was inside.
Yep.
Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That thing was massive.
Yeah,
You know, was you your friends or you? That was
Oh,
you
yeah.
too?
And
Oh,
that
yeah.
guy was our buggy driver that caught the one with the deer inside.
Oh,
Who has
wow.
a buggy ride?
Oh, the buggy driver caught the python.
That's the guy that caught the deer.
How much?
Caught the python with the
How
deer.
much does a python go for if you catch it?
Depends on the size. You catch a 19-foot snake, you're going to get about $700 for a snake.
What?
Yeah. But you have to be in the Everglades at night to hunt them.
You got to be in the Everglades at night. He said if you catch a 19-foot python, $700 bounty.
I don't think so either.
You'd be would you?
Who makes that?
Would you be? This is DJI.
Back, ma'am.
DJI.
Yeah.
Absolutely
I don't know if I can
fantastic.
Would you be a python bounty hunter?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Absolutely.
Look.
Not on my
Look.
line.
With the mangroves choking out the grass,
That's
they're
lefty.
losing their habitat. So anytime they leave their territory to another, they're going into other guys. And that's when he hands out babies for you guys to hold. It's pretty cool. They're cold and squishy. You can hold a baby alligator? There's like a 3-footer and a little 18-inch one. You gonna hold the 3-footer?
How do you hold it?
You got some knots?
Hold it.
Hey, hi, mom, look. She got a couple knots. Look, Her headset's stuck. Does anybody have any questions?
What's the difference between a red mangrove and
Man, that's super fun. That's very fun. Yeah, he's a big boy right there. Ooh. Look, they're proud. They got the rock out here. He came to the Everglades. Rock came down to the Everglades and ate a good old cocodrillo.